Welcome back to Fired Up Garage. Today we got a big find. This one's been sitting for a really long time. A 1963 Corvette Split Window, totally 70s style. It's got the rockets on it, metallic green paint. It's been under the covers for a long time. Layers of dust on it. And it's a pretty cool find. I'm gonna show it to you in just a second, but I want you to know we do have a giveaway that's going on right now. You saw some products from Super Clean lately, and they reached out to us and said, if you've got some viewers that want to have some free products, run a contest. So we're gonna run a contest. If you drop your best car story, baby, probably the best car that you've ever found, like this, one that's been covered up, you went and got it, you got a good deal on it, share with us down in the comments. And now let's take a look at this 63 Corvette. So there it is. Whew. Lots of dust there. This is a 1963 split window Corvette. We'll take you for a little walking tour here all around it. It is sort of an original time capsule of 1970s Corvette life. As you can see, it's got the side pipes on it. I think these are from like a late 60s Corvette. It's got the rockets on it. The interior, all black vinyl. This car is not an original car, you know, not original colors, not original engine. But it is one that the owner has had since the 70s, and he's just kept it kind of as a time capsule. And so we'll show you around it. It's a really, really cool car, really rare. These 1963 split windows, hard to find now. A lot of people are recreating them. But let's take a little tour all around it. So in here, you can see the original color of this inside was red. And I believe the outside was white on this car originally. It's all been redone. Kind of that 70s style, black vinyl, or naugahyde, I think they call this. And that split window right there. This one is a 2-speed power glide, which is kind of rare. No radio still in it. A lot of the original equipment on this car still. So there you have it, really cool 1963 Corvette. This one has not run in a while, and we're hoping that sometime on this channel we will get this one fired up and get it back on the road. But it's kind of a time capsule, 1970s Corvette style here. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you're interested in that competition we got going on, drop your comment down below, your best car find ever, and we will let the winners know, and you'll get that super clean pack, 2 packs of degreaser, and also the camouflage hat. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps our channel to grow. And also throw a comment down there below. We'd love to hear what you think about this 1963 split window Corvette.